Energy plus strength equal birthday. Learn science and become a better golf player. Hello, my name is Véronique Corbeil. I'm a French Canadian. I teach in grade 5 and 6 in Quebec, and my goal is to teach kids interdisciplinary learnings.
Hi, my name is Geneviève Lapointe-Larouche. I am Véronique's friend and I teach too. I have a mobile language school here in Quebec and I'm here to help Véronique to present her workshop for Science on Stage Europe, and I'm behind the interdisciplinary kit of Véronique too. Let us present you our amazing workshop. For that, we have to go back in history of minigolf. Minigolf was created in 1867 here in Scotland for women only. Today, it's more popular than ever with more than 63 countries who has a membership at the International Federation. So we propose you to mix science with women history and future.
In class, minigolf opens a window on interdisciplinarity. Here is the STEAM challenge we offer to your student. The course is in a concave polygon shape. The course must contain a bridge, a tunnel, or a hump. The course must include a triangle. The course must feature a theme. At the end, you must explain the difference, energy, and strength on your course. The workshop is divided in two parts. First, 4 riddle station. Second, building your minigolf course. Science is great, but imagine if we join science with nature to create the future.
First of all, we're going to form a group of educators across the world. Second, they will have to pass through a 4-station riddles to resolve each riddle. They will discover the link between science and biomimicry. What is biomimicry? It's clearly the solution. It's the art of imitating life.
With our tools, jump into station number 1. Riddle number 1. Since the beginning of golf in Scotland, golf balls have changed a lot. Initially, they were made of wood, then leather with goose feather inside. Now, they're designed to stay in the air longer. Which insect continues to influence humans in the optimal manufacture of a golf ball? After the 4th station, bring your creativity, because we are building a miniature mini-golf course with an eco-responsible approach. Now we challenge you and your student. Will you be able to find the different energies and strengths on your mini-golf course? Get ready, we arrive soon.